Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to practice for the TOEFL speaking section. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure and question types. Knowing what to expect reduces anxiety. Next, make daily English speaking a habit. This builds fluency and confidence. Finally, record your practice sessions. Listening back helps you identify areas for improvement in pronunciation and grammar. This foundational work is crucial for success. To further improve, actively expand your vocabulary. Learn to use transition words to connect your ideas smoothly. Pay close attention to your pronunciation, ensuring clear articulation and natural intonation. This makes your speech easier to understand. Also, practice managing your time for each speaking task. The TOEFL speaking section has strict time limits, so efficient pacing is key. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these tips helpful for your TOEFL speaking practice, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, consider bringing your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can even use it to listen to English podcasts or practice speaking commands. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Incorporate full-length mock tests into your routine. Simulate actual test conditions, including time limits, to build stamina and reduce test day surprises. After practicing, seek constructive feedback from a tutor or a proficient English speaker. Their insights are invaluable. Also, review official sample responses. Understanding how scores are awarded will guide your practice and help you refine your answers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.